So SAPE has AD2 and AF2 this year. We're representing a number of products from Europe. We've got Vierlander Shield, Spinisi, GYS, Joel-Lift, Select, and a new paint line from HB. We also have a number of consumable products from Car System, Juice Polishers, Raw, Pour 15, Scan Grip, Sika and Cam. So there's quite a large group of people to come here and see at the SAPE stand. I invite everyone to come along, have a look at all our products. We've got a lot of larger products that body shops often find hard to see in the marketplace. So there's the Spinisi 106 bench set up, ready to go. We have representatives from Spinisi, Vierlander Shield, GYS, HB, and Voss Chemie in Germany. So if you want to meet the manufacturer and actually ask questions of them, please come by. Day one, look, the attendance has been amazing. A lot of engagement with the staff, and it seems a lot of people are back out in the world and looking to upgrade their body shop.